At Owens Corning, we believe in our products. That's why every roof comes with our standard product limited warranty for your new shingles. But we also believe that the quality of work matters. And because you're trusting an independent Owens Corning roofing platinum contractor to install your roof and to do it right, we can offer so much more. Here's how it works. With our Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Protection Limited Warranty, not only are your shingles covered, but every Owens Corning roofing system component is guaranteed under our True Protection period for 50 years. That means any manufacturer defect is covered. Also, if there's a problem, materials, labor, tear-off, and disposal, all included, are covered for years to come. After that, 20% of your materials cost is still covered for as long as you own the home. What about wind damage? Covered for 15 years. Algae? 10 to 15 years of coverage, depending on your shingle choice, in areas where algae-resistant shingles are available. You even get a limited lifetime of workmanship coverage. What's that mean? For the first 25 years, you'll have workmanship coverage for roofing issues related to the installation of the Owens Corning roofing system. After 25 years, a continued lifetime of prorated coverage based on the age of the roof. And should you ever sell your home, you can even transfer the warranty to the buyers. Some things the warranty doesn't cover: extreme weather events, structural failures, or any roofing components not manufactured by Owens Corning. And if you need to make a claim, just visit the Owens Corning website or call 1-800-ROOFING to get the process started. We know your home is an important investment. That's why we're determined to make it simple to help protect your family with a safe roof and a strong warranty. The Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Protection Limited Warranty, more than just a roof.